Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of drones. We'll be comparing two popular options, the RADCLO Mini Drone with camera and the DJI Mini 2 SE. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. When it comes to drones, having a good camera is essential for capturing those breathtaking aerial shots. The RADCLO Mini Drone boasts a 1080p HD 90 degrees manually adjustable lens, giving you a wider field of view. It also allows you to enjoy high-quality pictures and videos via the RADCLO FPV app. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE offers simplified operations and the DJI Fly app, which has easy-to-use shooting templates for professional-level videos. Both drones have their unique camera features, but the DJI Mini 2 SE takes the lead with its advanced imaging capabilities. Now let's talk about flight performance. The RADCLO Mini Drone comes with stable altitude hold function, making it easy to control and capture high-quality footage. It also has a larger body size and comes with full accessories, including a carrying case, extra batteries, and propeller guards. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE is lightweight and portable, weighing less than 249 grams. It offers extended flight time of up to 31 minutes and has a maximum transmission range of 10 kilometers. With its advanced stability and longer flight time, the DJI Mini 2 SE takes the crown in this category. Moving on to features, the RADCLO Mini Drone offers multiple functions such as high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, and headless mode. It caters to both beginners and skilled players. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE has a beginner-friendly design with simplified operations, making it easy to learn and master quickly. It also includes features like wind resistance up to 38 kilometers per hour and a return-to-home function for added safety. While the RADCLO Mini Drone has a wide range of functions, the DJI Mini 2 SE's user-friendly features give it an edge in this category. Finally, let's talk about the price. The RADCLO Mini Drone comes at a budget-friendly price of $65, making it a great option for those looking for an affordable drone with camera capabilities. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE is priced at $339, which is higher but offers advanced features and imaging capabilities. It all comes down to your budget and requirements. Here's an overall assessment of the online reviews for both products. And there you have it, the comparison between the RADCLO Mini Drone with camera and the DJI Mini 2 SE. Both drones have their unique strengths, so it ultimately depends on your needs and preferences. If you're on a budget and looking for a drone with decent camera capabilities, the RADCLO Mini Drone is a great choice. However, if you're willing to invest in advanced features and professional-level imaging, the DJI Mini 2 SE is the way to go. Make sure to do your research and choose the drone that suits you best. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.